in there. Dig him out. I see a body. The moon sand. No, I don't. Broken. Hi guys, welcome back to Alyssa and channel. Hi guys, today we're gonna make moon sand with 2 ingredients: oil and flour. Let's start. First, we put the oil and flour. Now you use your hands to mix the oil and flour together. Oh, so it's there now. It's coming like dough. It's becoming dough. I'm gonna use my spoon. Get my spoon. I'm gonna mix it. Mix it on my my sand. Getting cooler and cooler, right? Mine is looking like moon sand. Remember to keep squishing it. So fun. Just rocks. Look at it. It's a rock. And it's broken. You squish it and it's broken. Squish. Look, squish it. Oh, it's cool. Squish it and you squish it again. Now, have one done inside. Yay! Get out of the toy! And I got the crab. I got this. Make sure to share. More and more and more, like a mountain. Scrape this off, scrape this off, scrape this off. Done. Now I can find the place for me and put it down. 1, 2, 3. Pick it up. Wow! Now it's time for cannonball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cannonball! It's not broken yet. I have it. I can bury. Let's bury him. Let's bury him. You. Which one you want? Put everything there. Then we drive the car and make this perfect car. All around everything. He said, "Go run, run." Let's bury him. Where's the car? Where's the car? Dig it out. I'm gonna use this shovel. No. Oopsies. Let's get this car away from the sand. Now it's a fun day of beaching gun. I'm going the dolphin. Shower. It's sand rain. Sand raining. Go Alyssa Dora. Mama, let's Daddy.
Huh?
That's so fun. Daddy, Daddy. Happy stand on the corner. Okay, I'm gonna hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fix it before she comes out. Let's start! Okay, where is she? Oh, oopsies. See, I can find you. Ouch! Ouch! I think she's under here. Oh, it can move. Ah! You found me! Yes, because you say ouch. I'm getting all sandy. That's alright. Let's chill at the sun. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Bye. And make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.